Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome animation using Canva. Learning this skill will level up your Canva designs, making them more engaging and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create stunning animations with simple steps anyone can follow. Here's a sneak peek of what we'll be creating today. And don't worry, you can download this exact template for free at the end of the video. Let's dive into the process. First, let's create a new video project. Head over to Elements and scroll down to Frames. Click See All and search for quarter circle. Select all the parts you need to form a circle. Arrange the parts to form a circle with some space between each one. Go to Uploads and upload your images. Rotate all the frames by 45 degrees. Place your first image inside a frame. Double-click to adjust. Select all frames, rotate again, and place the second image. Repeat until all images are placed and adjusted. Go to Elements, Shapes, and choose a circle. Increase the size slightly and place it at the center of the frames. Change the color to white. Select all and make sure everything is centered perfectly. Now go to Share, download as PNG, and set the size to the maximum. Click Download. Then, upload it again. Delete the previous page. Go to Elements or Uploads to find a background image. Crop and adjust the brightness and contrast as needed. Resize and place the background image to the right side of the page. Go to Uploads, click on the image, and select Remove Background. Increase size, crop sides if needed, and position it properly. Duplicate and rotate images if you want more visual impact. Rotate images as needed and drag them slightly to the left. Repeat for all images to keep the style consistent. Click Add Transition and select Match and Move. Increase the duration. Click Apply between all pages. For adding the text, it's super easy. Add your text. Change the font. Change color to white and center it in the frame. Click Show Element Timing and adjust the text timing if needed. Make sure everything looks good. Add any additional text or elements to enhance your design. Check your animation and make final adjustments. And that's it. Now let's quickly recap what we did. We arranged frames, added images, adjusted them, applied transitions, and animated text. The key to this style is proper rotation, alignment, and creative transitions. Want to use this exact design? Click the link below to download this Canva template for free and start creating your own eye-catching designs today. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next Canva tutorial.